Welcome back to the Junkman's Adventures and another carburetor video. This time it's how to remove a stuck pilot jet and some other things. Alright, because you're on this video, I'm assuming you know a little bit about carburetors, so I'm not going to go over the parts that are in here. Most of you would recognize that the pilot jet is down in here, and that's what we're trying to get out. Using usually a small screwdriver, something like this, you can, should just twist out real easily. Well, over time, corrosion, fuel, whatnot can stick behind these threads or even up on top of these threads and make it difficult to remove. And in this case, both of these little ears are snapped off down in there. So there's nothing for the screwdriver to grab. Well, there's two little methods that I've done before that have been successful for me is the left-handed drill bit method. I have it here chucked up here. And what you want to do, most pilot jets are very small, but you want to find one that is at least a little bit bigger than the jet size you want to be, because the idea is a left-handed drill bit is going to, while it's drilling in there, maybe catch and just twist that ever so slightly, and then it should just come right out. And if there's enough that you can grab the screwdriver, then you can back it out. In this case, there's nothing down in there. And through the magic of doing it before I had the camera rolling, we got the jet out, and here's what it looks like. Now what you're looking at where the light is shining is the starter plunger, or the enrichment plunger. And it is stuck in there. The previous owner has tried to get it out and cut the cable to get the carburetor out, and it's really mashed it up in there. I see the little part of the cable is still in there. Now this is something I've not run across. I mean, I've gotten these stuck in here, but usually some persuasion, they usually just pop right out of there. So I'm going to try a couple techniques and we'll see if they can't get this out of here too. And you're going to see if me either succeed or fail at this. Okay, getting the carburetor in position, you can kind of see what we're up against. The first thing I'm going to try, seems obvious to me, is we're going to stick a screwdriver down in there. This might hit, and we're going to hold the body of the carburetor, and I'm going to try to twist it to break it loose. Now I've had it soaking a little bit with penetrating oil and carb cleaner, and see, that's not even budging it. Now something else you hopefully can see here is you can see down in there, this is where the air inlet would come in to create the vacuum to then suck more fuel up through this emulsion tube to enrich the mixture. This is like your choke, which is not a choke, it's an enricher. So I got an idea. Alright, what I'm going to try is I have these screw extractors, different sizes, and these two seem like about the same size. What I want to do is try to break it free, because I know if I break it free, it should just be able to be slid out of there. And I think this smaller one, the flutes will fit in there, and hopefully I can break it free. We'll see. Alright, got the extractor in there, which is actually kind of what I want. Now let's take the drill off. I wonder if we can pull it out of there. That's actually kind of exactly what I was hoping would happen. That worked better than I thought. Wonder if I put my slide hammer on this, what'll happen. Let's see. Alright, quick cut of the video. I don't have a suitable puller that I can attach to that. So, we're going to just try to... We're going to keep trying to do what I did. Because if I can get it to turn, I should be able to get it out of there. Alright, we're back, and after a little bit of wrestling, I have gotten it to turn by doing this. So that's a good sign. We're getting it freed up in the bore there. There we go, getting it turned around. So, the more we can free it up, then maybe I can take my very small puller, drill a small hole, and yank it out of there. We'll see. I'm going to drill a hole. I'm using my reverse drill bit just because I have it here. I'm going to drill a hole and that I can then screw my puller screw into and get a good bite. Okay, I got a hole drilled in there. I got the screw in there. Let's see if this pulls it out. Oh, there it goes. Well, almost. There we go. Got her out. Man, was that thing galled in there or stuck? Oh, there we go. Got it out. Well, there we have it. We got the stuck pilot jet out, and we got the stuck enrichment plunger out of this carburetor. Next thing to do is clean it up, and it'll be ready to send back to the guy. Now, full disclosure here. This carburetor was sent to me by a viewer. Now, hang on. Before you start emailing me, commenting, saying, hey, I got carburetors and things I would like you to send you for you to fix. This was a post that I saw, and I offered and reached out to him to offer my services. And he was generous enough to send it to me for me to take a look at and repair and make this video. So this is not something I normally do, and I highly appreciate it. So that's why I do these videos, to help out people out there. But this is probably a one-time thing that I'm going to actually do this. So till next time, thanks for watching. Get subscribed, join to become a member. Helps me make more videos like this. And thanks for watching.